Welcome to Kyushu, welcome to Fukuoka. We are at the original, the very first #1 shop of GooDay Home Center. Good day. Good day. And we have a special guest today. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our store.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you
And
so much.
congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
45th year anniversary
Yeah.
of GooDay Home Center. This is one of my favorite parts. Osoji.
Do you have a custom like Szasz in United States?
No. Do you use any of these yourself? Come over here. Come over here. これすごい。
これいいですよね。
This is a powder. It's very strong, very active. It has friction and chemical sort of cleaning. But this is great for taking off the stain off hard water. You know this.
Yeah, we are doing a demonstration how to use this product.
これめっちゃ安くない？びっくりするね。You know this.
Shred?
Yep, you can shred cabbage.
Shred cabbage by this product. Very nicely.
Right.
Very thin cabbage.
とんかつ。とんかつ。好き？
とんかつも
とんかつ。
ち
もう大好物。Tell me about the second floor.
Yeah, second floor is for pro customers.
And again, they have a workspace where anybody can use these tools.
Yeah.
So located near the highway, a lot of professional users come here before they go on site.
From here, so pro customer can
Bring their truck here.
by using this stroke. Our company is named Home Center. My grandfather established this company, and in 1978, we started the new business for us. That is Home Center GooDay.
Okay, I have all these questions to ask you. This year marks GooDay's 45th anniversary and the renewal of your first store where we are. How does it feel to be approaching 50th year anniversary?
Yeah, I can't imagine what I will do. Our staff are very friendly people, and they love DIY so much.
Yeah.
So,
Do you have any memories as coming here as a child?
at that time I was 2 or 3 years old, but I think I came here.
What have you seen recently in DIY?
Car products are getting popular in this store.
What about the future?
I visit head office of Home Depot. I felt the big difference between us. People in United States do rebuilding their home.
You felt that Japan needs more people to do that.
And I have to do some workshop for our customers to teach or
Educate.
how to do DIY. I think it is very important for the real stores. People can buy anything by online shop.
Online.
Yeah.
But getting the information and
Experience. I think it is all but a new function for real store.
Well said. Thank you so much for today.
Yeah.
Appreciate it very much. Congratulations and start making your plans for the 50th anniversary. 楽しみね。楽しみ。